Good afternoon, YouTubers. Digger coming at you with a little bit of a car show update. I am up in St. Paris, Ohio, and Brian Vance has his car show up here right now. And I'll tell you what, it's opened up at 11, but I was car number 240 at like 11:45. So gonna be a lot of cars here today. So got mine all set up and everything. Of course, I never popped the hood, but I'll get a little walk around and show you guys what all's here, because there is a lot of stuff here. Of course, first thing we see, good looking 69 Falcon. That is a very nice little car. So we'll keep on walking around, see if we can find the wagons. Here's a very, very cool Econoline van. It's V8'd, full interior and everything. This thing is wicked. It's probably about the best looking Econoline van I think I've ever seen. That is a beautiful van. And you know, I love wagons. Here's a 1950 Plymouth wagon. Very unusual. Very cool car. See if we can find some more wagons or Falcons or something. See a neat looking Ford Woody wagon right over here. Definitely have to go up and take a closer look at that. Old rat rod tow truck. This little Ford's cool.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will. Man, I'm sure you want to
Even has a little teardrop trailer with it. Got the old school luggage up top. Love that wood floor. I was thinking about doing something like that in the Falcon too, but who knows. Wide white walls. For those that don't know, this is basically a Fox body Mustang underneath these wagons. 78 Ford Fairmont Squire wagon. 302 V8, C4 automatic, air conditioning, wing vents, lowered 3 inches. Cool ride. It's a wagon, you know I love it. Here's something definitely unusual. I don't know what to call that. A chopper mini bike. It's got slicks on it. Looks like it runs. Looks like something that I'd have just a little bit of fun on. Disc brake on the rear. You can tell it started life as a mini bike. That is a big block though. That's at least a 10 horse, if not bigger. Doesn't look like it would steer very well, but I have a feeling that one's made for straight line cruising only. This one definitely caught my eye. 1967 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. That was the same year as my old hearse. Definitely have a thing for a 67 Cadillac. That there's a purty one. There's all the station wagons, the Ford Falcons, all the unusual stuff. Little hydro action. Yeah, the new car brigade. I like new cars, but should they belong at car shows? You decide. You decide. That is a buddy of mine's car, and it's very nice. He wins lots of awards with it. Everybody knows I love a bug. One of those cars I've never had and always wanted. Actually, would love to have a fiberglass dune buggy, but I couldn't complain on any kind of bug. Ooh, I dig the headlights on that. And it has a little bug. And a bug on the dashboard. It's called the grasshopper. Gotta love a bug. Get another cool old Econoline Ford van. Not sure what year that is. Early 70s. 74 it says. That's a cool old school classic right there. Got guys still coming in. Walk over and look at this 56 wagon. This has been around the Dayton area for many, many years, unchanged. It's a cool wagon. That's just a cool car right there. And that's not really red, it's kind of like a pinkish red that's on that scallops. Very cool though. Everybody knows I like Clay Smith cam stuff, so that's really cool.
The guy who gets left here, he's got the Willys two-pack.
Entire building all the way down that side, and it's carrying over into the back parking lot. So I see a neat little Chevelle wagon with flames over here, so we're gonna go over there and check that out. This little Chevelle's been around Dayton area for a while too. Love that blue fading into purple flames. rear electric window works. Cool, cool, cool. Here's an unusual rat rod. Now look at the glitter on this top.
It's the wrong colors for you, though.
Got a Farmall front grille. We got air ride suspension. This is a cool old custom right there too. Little pan on the back instead of a bumper. I don't know if you can see all that rainbow glitter in that. Plymouth sedan delivery.
Now, was that always a panel like that, or did it have windows?
We made that. We cut that out. We cut that out. You see where the door was. Remember that big door?
I didn't notice.
Found some unusual vehicles down this way. Of course, I'm going to head over that way because there is a 57 Chevrolet wagon. This is the Rearranger. The unusual thing is that the engine is a 3.8 or 3100 located in the back, and it's supercharged. That's definitely different. Got to go over here and check out this beautiful 57 two-door wagon. That is one very, very clean ride. Like I say, I'm not really a fan of 57 Chevrolets, but just because they're so common, everybody's done everything with them. But you don't see them that clean very often. Gorgeous car. So I did hear that they're going to have, right now they are having pedal kart drag races. And sometime here in a little while they're going to have some flamethrowers. I think they've only got 2, maybe 3 flamethrowers, but one of them is a hearse. So you know we're going to get that on video. Alright, I'll keep walking. Well, you can hear me, but this is the pedal car drag races.
Alright, we got Dexter against Woodbrook.
You're done, man. You're done. There's Brian Mance himself right there. He's telling him to give him 3 cars. Never seen pedal car drags. Very interesting. Pedal it, pedal it, pedal it. Fun for kids of all ages.
Matthew Woodruff is the winner.
There's definitely something a little bit different. You might see this stuff out in California a lot, but you don't really see it here in Ohio very much. Check out the paint job on that. Don't see very often. Ride it like you stole it.
Idings is the winner. Almost had a wipeout down there.
Can't live around the Dayton, Ohio area without knowing about the Junkyard Dog. Complete with blue tinted windows.
We need to hear from Dominic Payne, Nathan Mason, Landon Oberholzer. Dominic Payne, Nathan Mason, Landon Oberholzer, this is your last call.
Look at the sparkle in that top. Smells something good around here. Doesn't get much cooler than that. 57 four-door wagon. Gasser. Now here's probably one of the most unusual
We
vehicles
also
at
have the
show.
flamethrowers going to come in here in just a minute on the other side here after the pedal car races. Uh-oh.
This one belongs to a buddy of mine, Gopher Rider. And if you are not familiar with Gopher Rider,
And
you
the
need
winner,
to,
left lane, Fireball Ryan Martin.
need to check out his,
I need to sum up in that left lane, fellas.
shut up, his YouTube page. Gopher Rider pretty much goes around to all the Dayton car shows, driving this. He drives this thing everywhere. Says last week he was doing 80 on the highway, but he goes around and shoots videos of all the car shows in the Dayton area. Post them on his YouTube channel. So go check out Gopher Rider, real cool dude. He's got this, and he's also got a little, I don't see where it's at around here, but he's got a 3-wheel trike that he cruises around on, which is really cool.
Testing. Flamethrowers after the pedal car races. This is the finals.
Put this little 3-wheeler right there on the back, cruises down the highway.
And Woodruff gets the lead. He gets the jump on him. Fireball coming up from the rear.
I love all the skulls he's got on it.
Woodruff, and it's Little Woodruff on the win. Good job, Fireball.
Can you imagine driving this at 80 miles an hour? I'd have to try it once. All right, so go check out Gopher Rider on YouTube. He's got a killer channel.
Back here. Whenever you're ready.
There's the man himself.
What's happening? Digger!
How you doing, sir?
I'm all right, buddy. How you doing?
Oh, not too bad. I just walked around this a little while ago and did a little video of this.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Hey, that's what gets you around, right?
Oh, this is my daily driver. This is what I have. I don't have anything else.
Really?
Yep, this is it. For 7 years, I drove it in the winter. And that's what put it up on. I had to put it up on blocks for a while because the front bearing and shaft got ate up from all the beet juice and salt and everything. They don't make, you can't get them parts. So I had to kind of make something, put it back together. We'll see. Now I got to fix the speedometer. I twisted it off. I opened her up one day. It went to 80 and ping, that was the end of that.
I was just talking on the video a little while ago, and I said, can you imagine going 80 miles an hour in this?
Well, at 60, because of the way it's shaped and the air gets under it, at 60 the front starts to skip just a little bit.
That's
So it's
scary.
hard to- well, yeah, you got to have pucker power. If you don't have pucker power, you ain't staying in the seat because it will scare you. But wind and stuff, it blows it around a lot. But it's fun. I love it. I've always wanted one. You know, one of these days I'll get my other trikes finished. I got a bunch of other stuff to do, and I'll get those done, and then I'll have two. I'll have this
Well,
one
you know,
ride normal,
I'm
and
all
the
about
other two.
the unusual stuff. That's definitely
That's
very
why I like-
unusual.
That's why I like the wagons, the 4 doors, the El Caminos.
Oh, yeah.
3-wheelers.
I'm the same way.
Good
If
to
it
see
ain't
how
weird,
many- good to
if it
see
ain't
how-
weird, I ain't
Oh,
interested.
yeah, it's got to be off the wall. Straight up off the wall. But it's fun.
Yep. All right. Well, I'm gonna walk back over to the car for a minute.
All right, see you guys. Take care.
All right. Have fun.
All righty.
This guy here is Shane Six. He's out of Fairborn, Ohio. He is one of the best pinstripers I've ever met. Really cool guy. Kind of out there, but you know, I guess if you're going to be a pinstriper, you have to not have your head put on quite
I pay
straight.
him to lie about
Super
me.
cool dude, though. I don't usually highlight bikes too much. Not really a big bike fan, but this is a buddy of mine's bike out of Springfield, Ohio. He does a lot of, believe it or not, he does polishing. It looks like that one probably hasn't been polished in a while, but I guarantee you if he takes his polish to it, it's going to look good. Oh, and he did strut this thing, so that is a very hard ride. You got to be serious to ride one of them. Just about missed a cool bug walking around. It's like all original. Has the rag top. 1963. Yeah. First of the flamethrower cars, 1971 Cadillac hearse. Wait until you see the shooters on the back of this thing. Wha-bam! Another hearse for us. That one is actually built by Eagle Coach Company, which back in, well, 95, about the time this one was being manufactured, I had the honor of touring the Eagle plant to see how they were cut and stretched and everything like that, and it's really a neat thing. He says he's going to put flamethrowers on this one not too long, but didn't get around to it. But the same guy owns this one that owns that one. You know, I'm a big hearse fanatic. Definitely cool stuff. Love seeing hearses out here at the shows. All right, let's talk unusual. This is an Opel, or it was. Has a small block Chevy in it. Opel GT. That's one way to make a little car feel bigger. Just take the whole dashboard out. My favorite of the Tri-5s, 1956. And it's a 2-door wagon. Stand delivery. And yes, that does say 427 on the side. All you need is love and a dog. Very nice ride. Gloss black has definitely been spit shine and polished.
Let's see some smoke.
Tomater. Believe it or not, that is a Chevy van. I didn't get a real close look at it, but the paint job on that square body is really, really sparkly. Very cool. You can tell by the sparkly wheels. All right, YouTubers, so just got home from the car show, and that's where we went today. Really good show. Must have had over 300 vehicles. So Falcon didn't place anything, but you know, I don't care. I'm not out there for trophies, but it still showed good. So now I'm gonna go in and edit a bunch of video so that you guys can see more of the Pabst Rod Shop show. So until next time, have a happy day. Digger is out. And hey, YouTubers, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and maybe even that little ding ding bell thing. That way you get updated and you know what's going on right after I do it. So tune in, there's more to come. The party starts here.